Hello everyone, you are welcome to this session. My name is Patbot. Today, we have Uncle Pat on set.
Okay, I am happy to be here again, Patbot. Thank you for having me.
What does it take to create a back-end web design?
Okay, when it comes to back-end web design, there are different tools that you can employ in order to create a back-end web design. You will be needing a database tool. So this database tool can be MySQL or Oracle or Microsoft SQL Server. So any of these three software can be of a great help for you.
Aside database software, what other tools do you need?
Yes, apart from database tools, you will also be needing a script language. When I say script language, I mean something like PHP or Django. Django is a Python framework. Remember, Python on itself is a programming language, whereas Django is a script language for back-end design, just like PHP. So many people think that PHP is a programming language, but it is actually a script language, just like JavaScript.
What tools should I need to start writing code for backend?
If you are a student and you want to try out all these things, the tool you will be needing is to download XAMPP. You can use XAMPP or you can use WAMP. There is also MAMP and LAMP depending on the operating system you are using.
Is there a tutorial you would recommend for this?
If you are looking at how to start, I will include in the comment section or description box below a link where you can start learning any of these things.
Thank you for coming again, Uncle Pat.
Thank you again for having me, Patbots. Bye, viewers.